cook. So I have white rice, oops, sorry. I have white rice, the mop just fell, which I cooked in my small rice steamer. I made these noodles for later. For maybe tomorrow, I'll make some meatballs to go with them. The chicken that I made in the oven, I made some potatoes and some ketchup, garlic, and onions with a little soup mix. And I mixed it down, and then I added some of the chicken breast in here. So it'll have a nice thick gravy with it. That should be really, really good. Okay. And then I made some rice with beans. It's very tasty too. And I made some curry chicken. It's good. Let's see what's going on. Well, today they come to clean the pool, so it looks pretty good. It looks clean. I don't think I need to do anything. Yeah, today the guy comes and cleans the pool. It's really hot out there, let me tell you. Oh, the wind is turning over my pots. I have some pots out there that I'm going to put some plants in when my brother brings them. My lemon tree is growing good. The grapefruit tree, just a little bit over there growing, and the little lime tree is coming along. You cannot see them, they're far over. There's the lemon tree, the lime, and you cannot see the grapefruit, but it's over there. So it's a little dusty out there. Oops, sorry. I forgot to back up. Yeah, I just love that waterfall there. Yeah. So I'll probably go in the pool tomorrow after they do some cleaning. I know it looks clean, but we have it maintained every week by the pool company. And that's it. Yeah. I don't hear the music out there. I'll have to check the wires out there. But yeah, guys, so that's it. I'm probably